For Wall Street Media, this is Nikki. I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't find anywhere else.
Oh boy, Nikki, we don't match today. What happened?
You didn't listen to me, and
oh boy,
this is what happens when
I
you don't
thought we were
listen.
just kidding when you said we were going to wear that. Anyhow, guys, we've got Wachovia's packaging wrap-up today. Super cool stuff. If you're an investor in this sector, Nikki is going to educate you. Really great stuff.
I am. Ed White, Senior Vice President and CFO of Owens Illinois, OI, discussed plans to communicate its earth-friendly attributes, focus on product innovation, develop technology that provides a sustainable advantage, implement pricing strategy to improve margins, and expand their presence in the growing market. Richard L. Wambold, CEO of Pactiv Corporation, PTV, announced the acquisition of Prairie Packaging, which has enhanced their strategic position by filling a major consumer gap in the cups and cutlery market. They also announced 2 new products in the waste bag area, the Space Saver package, which will hold more and cost less, and the unscented odor remover bag. Harris E. DeLoach, CEO, and Charles J. Humpter, Senior Vice President and CFO of Sonico Products, SON, discussed their position as a total packaging solution and leveraging infrastructure in China, India, and Malaysia. Matthew Della Maria, VP, and Ralph Polterman, VP and Treasurer of Aptar ACR, discussed their product diversity and how it is shielded from short-term market and geographic pullbacks with growth opportunities in the food and beverage market and the pharmaceutical market. Jeffrey Curler, CEO, and Melanie Miller, Treasurer of Bemis Company, BMS, explains technology and innovation in material science and growth opportunity in geographic regions such as China and South America. Daniel O'Brien, CEO of Avery Dennison, AVY, explains that Avery is at a distinct advantage because of their global footprint at a regional scale. Future growth drivers will come from completing the Paxar integration and continued renovation of core office products. Tim Donahue, Senior Vice President and Treasurer of Crown Holdings, CCK, explains their established market leadership in fast-growing regions such as the Middle East and Southeast Asia, with a diverse geographic product and consumer mix. David Kelsey, CFO of Sealed Air Corporation, SEE, explains that they are reducing travel expenses, controlling headcount, reducing scrap generation, and initiating a cost reduction and efficiency program to protect operational margins. Sandra Mora of Rexam PLC discusses actively de-risking input cost volatility while maintaining long-term contracts with established client relations. They aim to grow organically through the CapEx program, which will focus on BevCan growth in Western Europe.
Hey,
great stuff today.
Yeah, you know, now I'm not an investor in this sector, right? I don't know anything about it, but that was a really good wrap-up there, and it sounds enticing. Now, it also sounds like an awful lot of them are looking forward to growing in Asia, right?
Yes.
Right? That's where a lot of the focus going forward for them is. Yeah, really nice one. Nice one, Nikki. Thanks.
We're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us directly at WSMCO.com. Thanks.